20 people are asked how many text messages they sent from their phone yesterday. The following frequency distribution shows the results. So they are providing the information in a frequency distribution instead of a list of data. Construct a dot plot to represent the data. Label the axes. Are there any outliers? So our first step is to draw the number line. And then next, the frequency tells us how many dots to put for each category. So 5 gets 4 dots, 7 gets 5 dots, etc. And then lastly, it asks, are there any outliers? And there are no outliers on this one because all of the data is pretty close together.